How to make a terrarium aquarium from a bottle. This is the aquarium bottle that I pierced in the previous video. Now I will clean this aquarium, then I make it into a simple terrarium. After the bottle is washed, I add a little water in it. For a while I put it like this first. For planting media, I use aquascape soil. If you don't have one, you can use fertile soil. It seems that it is faster to enter soil by pouring it. Then we stir so that it is mixed with water. It's time for us to look for plants around. Usually under the water reservoir there are lots of moss plants. Take the soil as well, so the plants can adapt more easily. Take small plants like this too. Here I have collected some small stones, plants, and moss. I use bamboo for work because I don't have long tweezers. Oh, it looks like the lighting is too dark here. Okay, let's move inside the room. To plug the plants, I use bamboo skewers. Next, we set the terrarium in the bottle. It might be difficult to insert plants, let alone arrange them without long tweezers. We add small stones so that the terrarium looks natural. After the terrarium is finished, we install the wooden supports. This terrarium is very beautiful when placed on a table or shelf in front of the house.